Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. Today I'm going to show you how I apply press-on nails. So usually I use the Kiss brand that you can buy at the drugstore, but I was scrolling through Facebook and I saw an ad for this brand called Static Nails, and they looked really cute. They had a bunch of different fun shapes, sizes, colors, patterns, so I figured I would order a pair to try them out, and since they were on sale too. So this is the set I got. They're leopard or cheetah print, and they're an almond shape, and it's like a French tip kind of design with the pattern. This video is not sponsored. I'm not being paid to do this. I just love trying stuff like this out. You can sign up for a rewards program on Static Nails, and I did do that. So these were they're like all the things to earn points. So I got a $5 gift card to make the price of these a little bit cheaper, but so everyone gets a referral link if they sign up for the rewards program. So I will leave mine down below, and I believe it gets you like $5 off your first purchase, but that'll be linked in the description down below. So these are my natural nails. They're a little beat up right now. I'll be honest, I ripped some press-ons off a few weeks ago and I just had nail polish on it, but they were chipping off, so I already took it off, and then I trimmed and filed them. And so on the back it says, get a perfect non-damaging manicure in seconds for a fraction of the salon cost. Wear them weeks straight or a few days at a time. In the kit you get 24 nails, a file, a buffer, and glue. And so it says how to apply. Apply to clean natural nails. Wipe nails with nail polish remover after buffing if you have oily nail beds. Select the best fitting nail for each finger and set aside an order. Apply a thin layer of glue to the back of the static nail. Apply a generous layer of glue to your entire natural nail. Allow the glue to tack up for about 6 seconds. Align with the cuticle. Press down. Hold and squeeze for 30 plus seconds. And then you can customize if you don't like the length or the shape. So I'm trying not to drop these, but you get 2 rows of 12 nails in here. And then you got a tube of glue and a little file. Typically, I don't like these ones. I just find them to be too rough on my nails, so I'm probably not going to use that, but I'll try out the glue. I do like the glue that comes in the Kiss pack, but I'll give this a try today. Okay, so I switched over to filming on my camera just so you can get a better angle. So first, whenever I do these, I actually like to push my cuticles back, and I just have an orange wood stick or whatever they're called, one of the wooden sticks, and I prefer to use this side of it, and I like these a lot better than the metal ones because these are just a lot more gentle on my nails and I don't cut myself as much. So I just push back my cuticle. I know this probably looks really awkward. It's a very awkward angle for me to be filming at. But like I said, I already cut and filed down my natural nails. And I just like to push back my cuticles just because it looks a little bit more like you got your nails done at a salon if you do it with, but it's really just personal preference. And when you do this, you want to make sure that you're not hurting yourself. if you're pushing your cuticles back and you notice it starts to hurt, I believe that means you're touching the live tissue, because the cuticle is, I believe it's all dead tissue. I'm not a nail technician, so I'm not entirely sure. I do work at a beauty supply store, so we sell to licensed nail people and everything, so I'm learning a little bit more. And also on YouTube, her name is Susie from Nail Career Education, I believe. I love watching her videos. She mainly does like acrylic, but she has videos on how to prep your natural nail and everything, because it's pretty much all the same across the board. So I really like to watch her. So if you're interested in nails, I definitely recommend watching her. So next, I'm gonna buff my nails. This is the nail buffer that I use. I bought this at my work. I believe you can get this on Amazon. I've seen it. Or you can buy these things pretty much anywhere. Like, I don't like to do this for too long because I have heard that these kind of things can be like damaging to your nails. So I pretty much just rub it a few times. And that's about it. So next I'm gonna size the nails to my finger, and I just took one out and it doesn't look like these ones have numbers on the back, whereas if you buy the Kiss brand, they do have little numbers on the back. So basically, just to size the nails, you want to make sure that it's gonna fit at the cuticle and that it's not too big on the sides of the fingers. Like, this is the smallest one and it's on my pinky, and it fits perfect. So when I do this, I like to put the nail aside, and then I like to go I like to find the other one that matches up with that. So the other set, then here's my pinky, just so I make sure that it fits on both nails, and this one does. So then I like to just put them to the side. So like here on the paper towel, I put them to the side, so I start with the pinky and then I just move on. And if they're too, you're gonna be able to tell if they're too small. Or see, I don't know how to, this is such an awkward angle to film it, I'm so sorry. But like, so this nail, see how on the side it doesn't fit all the way? So that one's too small for that finger. So in that case, I usually like to go up a size. So that one, that's the next size up. It fits better, but they're still like a little bit peeking through, so I'm gonna try the next size too, just to be safe. Okay, so that one fits perfect. It's not showing any natural nail on either side. So I'm just gonna grab the other nail and test it on the other finger. And with press-ons and like tips in general, I've noticed that you want to go just like a tiny bit bigger, because they can sometimes shrink, and that's what I've learned through like watching nail videos and everything, so it's better to go just a little bit bigger than smaller. So I'm just gonna keep matching up the nails to my natural nails. I've noticed that my pointer finger is actually smaller than my middle finger, so I try to go the size that this one is. I usually go the next size down, if that makes sense. Okay, so I have all the nails right here off to the side. So next, I'm pretty much just gonna go in and apply them. So for the glue, it's a twist to open. You just want to get that plastic bit off, and then it should twist off. So that is what the little glue thing looks like. So when it comes to gluing them on, I don't like to totally follow the instructions. I don't personally like to put the glue on my nail, like my natural nail. I find that it just ends up being too much glue. I like to only put the glue on the back of the nail, and when I do this, I like to just make sure it's lined up with my cuticle and that like I don't put it on crooked or anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of glue, and with these you really don't need a lot. So there's a little bit of glue on there. And so I like to hold my hand this way. And then just slide the nail on. And then I look at it the other way. And so there we have our first nail on. Ooh, these are really cute. Okay, so I'm having trouble getting the glue out, so I'm just gonna switch over to my Kiss brand glue because that's just what I prefer. I'm just gonna use this. This is awesome from Kiss. This is one of the best. This comes in like the multi-packs, but I think you can buy this by itself too. It's the Kiss Maximum Speed Glue. And with this, you really just need a tiny little bit of it. And I just like to spread it around on the nail too. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep gluing the nails on. Okay, so here's one hand done. These are super cute. I'm obsessed. They are just a tiny bit longer than what I normally go for, but I definitely want to give them a try because they're so cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna finish off my other hand. So I actually think I'm gonna do this hand off camera just because it's gonna be easier for me, and you really won't be able to see it at the angle I'm filming at. So I will be back once I get these all on. These are super cute. I am obsessed. So here's another look at the nails. They're super cute. They are just a little bit longer than what I'm used to, but I think I'll be able to manage. I'll probably update in like a week or two depending on how long they last. But so like I said earlier, I will leave my referral link in the down bar below if you're interested and want to try these out for yourselves, just so you can save yourself a little bit of money. Other than that, that's pretty much it for the video. If you enjoyed this, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If there's anything else that you would like to see from me, leave a comment down below, and I will see you all in my next video.